Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by placing the cursor in the text field where the emoji should appear. Once done, press Ctrl plus Command plus Space to open the character viewer overlay. This is faster than navigating menus. You can type a word like heart or coffee into the search box to filter results, or tap category icons on the left to browse. This step lets you see emoji plus symbols and special characters without leaving your app, which speeds up typing and keeps focus on the task. Once the viewer is open, you can quickly find the right emoji by typing keywords. This is why search is essential when you have many choices. Click an emoji to insert it where your cursor sits, and if a variant exists, choose a skin tone or gender modifier. Make sure to click the small pop-up variant before inserting. In apps that support it, you can also drag an emoji from the viewer into your document, or right-click to copy and paste if insertion fails for any reason. To finish, rely on the Recent section for repeated emoji use, which saves time and keeps consistency. If you need more symbols or full glyph detail, open the full character viewer from the gear icon in the overlay. This gives you advanced categories like arrows and math. If the Ctrl plus Command plus Space shortcut doesn't open the viewer, make sure the shortcut is enabled in System Settings keyboard, check input sources, and restart the app or Mac. That usually clears temporary conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.